Hey, how are you? It feels like a while since I've seen you. It was 50% off sale this weekend at Goodwill, so I went ahead and I bought some stuff. I'm not really sure if you're interested in seeing that. I'm gonna go through it. I gotta take some tags off. While I take off the tags and get them prepped to start listing this week, I figured I'd show you some of the stuff I got. I always feel weird if you really want to see what I'm selling. It's a Peter Millar 100% merino wool sweater. It was half off, so everything was half off. I paid $6.99. My average buy cost for everything is going to be $3.91. So this was a good score this weekend. I did see this at the store. It's got stain right there. I got to figure out how to get that off. An Air Jordan shirt. This is an Ariat Pro Series button-up shirt. This was a pretty good find. It was $6.99, and I believe this should get $25. So I'm super pumped about that. It should sell pretty fast too. For the sake of this video, I have to tell you about these. I bought these Ratatouille, Up, and Frozen Planet. I wanted to watch Up and Ratatouille, the special features, and I figured I might lot them up together, but I might just keep them. I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna watch it anytime soon, but I don't know. I had to buy these, so I had to tell you about them. I was gonna pretend like they didn't exist, but they exist, and I want to tell you about them. I bought this. I got these two. I've already listed these, so I took these off the other day. I couldn't wait to get these listed. It's Gaston from Beauty and the Beast. I'll pick him out. He's too big for the bag. Sales comps on this was $49.99 plus shipping, something like that. I ended up pricing it at $59.99 plus shipping with best offer turned on, but I don't know, 30-40 bucks. Hopefully I can get for that. I'll be super pumped about that. This one is Bambi. Some sold for like 10, and some have sold for, like, international sales sold for $25, I believe. Let me just find some other stuff to show you. Can it be any more boring than me just sitting here? Oh, I found this. It's a MJ Soft Army sweatshirt, crew neck sweatshirt. I thought this was really cool. I did look this up, and I don't know if I found Army ones, but I found this brand. I found that brand. It's made in the USA. I think I can get 25 bucks for it. This one. It's got some stains on it, but I don't think people care about that stuff. It was $4.99, so this really helped to start getting my average buy cost down. And I sound like an idiot when I say that, because I don't really know if I should have bought this or not. It was just one of those pieces that it's really cool, and I like it, and I wanted to buy it. And it's probably the worst thing to tell you why I bought something, but I wanted it. Well, not me. I mean, I can't wear that. I wasn't in the Army. What else is in here? Oh my god. If I keep picking out stuff that I probably shouldn't buy. These are some Nike sweatpants. Just regular black sweatpants. Nothing major. They were expensive. They were $8.99. Half off. They should sell for, 15-20 bucks, I think. This should sell rather quickly. This did have a marking down here, so I was debating if I should get them or not, but it looked pretty good other than that. This is a Under Armour large loose. Pretty good, pretty cool color. I do really well with Under Armour. Nike, not so much, but Under Armour stuff, Polos did really well for me last year. It's another Under Armour polo, size large, loose. I thought the color on it looked way better than that one. Part of me wants to lot these together, which I still may do. But to be honest, I might just try to sell these by themselves. It's another polo. It's a Chicago Bulls polo. It's an Adidas polo, which I'm not really sure how much a Bulls polo is going to go for. So Adidas is only $6.99, which isn't too bad when you get half off of that. I should still be able to get, I don't know, 15-20 bucks probably for this. I would think. I am not going to lie to you. I didn't look this up. It's a size 2XL, so that's good. So maybe 20 bucks. I just got done telling you about how I don't do very well with golf polos. So I have a Nike golf polo here. It's a Tour Performance, size large. All right. I mean, it's gonna be golf weather. Let's see. Maybe I think maybe it was cheaper than $8.99. Nope, it was $8.99. So all the signs are here that I probably shouldn't have bought this, but I bought it anyway. I'll tell you why I bought it in 1 second. Let me just take this tag off. So stupid. That's why I gotta make more videos because this keeps me accountable for buying stupid stuff. I probably should just do that. So I bought another one. It's a Nike golf polo, which even worse is that I wasn't gonna buy. This one isn't tour performance. It's a large. Probably just gonna lot these two together and see what happens. This one might be cheaper than $8.99. Yeah, see, that's $6.99. It'll sell. I mean, it'll sell. Once I stop trying to sell a polo by itself. Who wouldn't want two polos for the price of one? Well, not really the price of one, but you know what I'm saying. Do you see any dirt on the back? No, I don't either. I got one more bag. It just keeps coming. It's just a brown Under Armour polo. It's a size 3XL, so good size. This should sell pretty quick. I didn't know if you clicked on today's video thinking, hey, you know what? I hope Dan's got a brown polo. It just gets worse and worse. So this is, oh my god, probably a brand you're not going to be on the lookout for. It's an Izod Saltwater. It's a 3XL. It's a button-up shirt. Not something you want to look for. 3XL is a decent, is a pretty good size to buy. I just recently bought one of these, the last 50% off sale, and it was a 4XL, and I sold it in like a day for I think $24.99. If this is a Nike polo, I'm gonna quit. I swear it is. It is. Oh, it's a 3XL. 3XL Nike polo. I don't know if I honestly looked up comps on anything. I felt like I was using my phone, but maybe I was just not paying attention. This will sell. It's good size. Nike golf polo. This is a good size. This, I am positive this will sell. I have to write all this stuff down that I told you wasn't going to sell. And when it all sells, I'm going to make a what sold video about all this crap. I'm going to get this listed. Right on top is another polo. Oh, it is. Oh, Nike golf polo, a large. I might lot it up with those other two. Little 3 polo action there. That's pretty good. In my head, I probably knew I had this in here. I probably could move on a little bit faster when I do Nike polo. Because how many times I tell you a Nike polo? All 3 of those together, I'm assuming I could probably sell for, I don't know, what do you think? 30 bucks? 30 bucks? 35? I don't know. Plus shipping. It's American Fighter t-shirt. The buckle makes them. This one was $4.99 minus half off. And it should sell 15-20 bucks. And it'll, I just sold one last week. And it sold in a couple hours on Facebook. I had priced it for 20 and I took an offer for 15 plus shipping. And it should sell super fast. So American Fighter. This is an Adidas Notre Dame shirt. It's cheer cheer for old Notre Dame. It's brand new with tags. It's a size extra large. Thought it was really cool. $6.99. A pair of Carhartt shorts. They're like the Carpenter shorts. They were $6.99. They are B29S TW. I didn't look these up. There has to be someone that wants these. This is all very bad information to give you like, oh, this should sell, this will sell. I have no proof that they're gonna sell other than just other than me hoping that they're gonna sell. I mean, I don't know what else to say. There's just something else that I probably shouldn't have bought. Vulcan shorts. It was $6.99. The only trouble is with these is that these are surf and turf 4-way stretch. Every time I found these, I found some pants and I found some shorts before. The last second, I always find some kind of defect on them. And I ended up pricing them too low just to move them out of here. These look like they're brand new, like no one's ever wore them. We will find out later if they have some kind of error on them. What's this? Oh, God. I mean, I have a very hard time of leaving stuff behind that is like collegiate or sports related Nike stuff. It's just some kind of some kind of sick thing I got going on. This is a Iowa State Nike, I don't know, dry fit long sleeve, some kind of like jacket, long sleeve jacket shirt. This wasn't priced at $8.99. It was $6.99, so it was a decent price. I mean, someone will buy it. I'll be able to get 15-20 bucks. I don't know how long it'll take to sell. I don't know how many Iowa State fans there are. I'm not saying anything bad. Some stuff like this is I try to not buy it with because I think something's cool. I couldn't find anything exactly like this, but it's a Lacoste A crew neck sweatshirt. It's a size 9 France, 4XL. If you're familiar with Lacoste, stuff's not like a true, it's like a different, it's like a, I don't know if it's, I'm going to sound very stupid saying this, but I don't know if it's European, but it's like a 4XL. This doesn't look like an American 4XL, I don't think. Me personally, but I could be wrong. Got the big alligator on the front. It's a green, very nice sweatshirt. I think I get 25, 30 bucks for this. I'm almost positive that's what I looked up. If I might be 100% wrong, who knows? But I was very excited to find this. You can get some decent money for some Lacoste stuff. Just maybe. I mean, I hate when I say that because I haven't found one in a while. It's a lie. I found one last week. I just haven't listed it yet. It's a total lie. Here, I'll show you this one. If you haven't clicked off the video yet, just let me know, okay? I would just love to know. I found this. It's a Patagonia quarter zip sweatshirt, hoodie, fleece type thing. I don't really know what this is gonna go for. It's got fishes on it. Let's look that up right now. They priced it at $19.99. They'll have like a style number. Ooh, they have a style number right here. Let's look it up. They have a style code right there. It's called Fleece? Maybe that means fleece. That's at Dick's Sporting Goods. It costs $119. So what did I use? Probably 40, 50 bucks? Maybe 60? Where's my bag? Let me rush through a couple of these other ones. What is this? What did I buy? Oh my god, I bought another. Oh. I didn't realize I bought 2 Iowa State shirts. This is a Columbia one. Probably worse than the other one. It's $6.99. I'll take it. These are Lucky Brand jeans. Which ones they are. $181 at Relaxed. I'm excited to find these. They were priced up, but luckily I didn't have to make a decision today because they were half off. Been following the channel for a while. I had old stickers of the old name Art Vandalay. I decided to get new stickers. If you want a sticker, I'll put my email address down below in the description. So I'll put it up right here or up here. I'll put it up here that you can email me. I haven't decided which email. I don't know. I have like 1,000 emails too. I'm the worst. But if you want a sticker, I will send you one. It doesn't cost you anything. I just really appreciate you guys watching. So it's just a little thank you for you watching the channel. You get a new sticker, Dan and the Man. I don't think there's going to be more than... I only made 50. And I used one. And I've already saved a couple for some other folks. So if by chance there's more than 50 people wanted one, I'll have to order more. But I'll get them out as fast as I can to you. Free of charge. It's free. Just have to email me your address.